Your views on market performance today? Still, we're seeing foreigners holding back, volumes very, very thin, valuations low.
Yeah, well, foreigners will probably want to hold back a bit ever since central bank announced the intention to have some special form of meeting, a monetary policy committee meeting, where they're going to probably discussing the currency, and I think that will be important for foreign investors who want to know whether the shilling assets will lose value on the basis of currency movement or not. So I will understand why they will want to hold back first, so that they can wait for the announcements there after the meeting and see what direction the shilling will take, and then react accordingly.
All right, let's talk about what's happening on the equity side. Let's start off with Centum. I mean, their share price down 6.2%. Now, we're hearing that they've got a diversification strategy, acquiring new subsidiaries, extending their tentacles to Mauritius, improving on the private equity side of their business, but it doesn't seem like the market is impressed.
No, perhaps it's because well, we've got the macro. I think the problem is at macro level, and we really don't know at this point where interest rates will be heading to. At least the interbank rates are beginning to fall, but it's largely because of policy loosening up rather than arbitrage, bringing the prices, the interest rates close to parity. Having said that, I think once the interest rate issues are resolved, then everything else will probably begin to, investors will probably begin to look at the opportunities available, because at the same time we have a bond coming, which probably could be viewed as competing, given that it's got a fixed income that probably would be very attractive. We're looking at a 12-year infrastructure paper, tax-free, probably earning you 15%, between 14 and 15% yield to maturity. So such competing projects are probably what will keep the stock market subdued for a while.
All right, let's talk about significant counters there, Johnson. Centum being down, what are your opinions there?
Well, a cheap pick for me. If you've got a medium-term to long-term view, you've got others as well: Safaricom's, Momias, Access. Centum is good because of the diversification strategy, as you put it. The area into which they've gone in real estate in Kenya, what they call Runda Heights, is for me a good investment, because they've secured the market from the diplomatic community, which more or less guarantees them
right.
good performance in the future. So if you ask me, I think Centum is a good buy.